Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a Snapchat account. So open the Snapchat application that you have downloaded. Here on the home page, you tap on sign up. Now first of all, what you need to do is type in your name and first name and the last name. Then tap on sign up and accept. Now provide the date of birth. Tap on continue. Your username will be the username that you can see on your screen right now. If you are not okay with the username, you can tap on change my username, and from there you can type in your very own username for the Snapchat. I'm gonna change it. As you can see, the username is already taken, so I will have to try a different one. So this username is available, so what you can do is tap on continue once the username you set is done. Then type in the password, then tap on continue. Here you will need to provide your email address for signing up. You can also sign up with your phone number instead, but for this tutorial video, I'm gonna go with the email address. So type in the email address of yours, tap on continue. Find your friends. You can sync your contact to add friends from your phone contact as well. You can tap on continue to do that for the easy access to your finding friend. I'm gonna skip this one. Skip. Now you can create your own Bitmoji over here. Click on continue. Allow. Now here you can put your face on the center to click a picture. From there you will be able to create your own Bitmoji. For this process, you can go ahead and make all the changes that you want, but here I'm going to skip this one. And with that, you have created yourself a Snapchat account. So this is how you can create your Snapchat account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.